What's up, Lindsay? How about you tell us where we're at?
Split.
In. Some people. There we go. There's 29 people. There's only 3 guys. Oh, okay. Oh.
2, 3 guys.
Yeah, there we go. There's 3 guys. Waterfall. It's a waterfall. Thank you, Steven. Steven, what are we gonna do? What are we doing, bro?
Water rafting.
She'll be fine, yeah, I think so too.
You got this?
If my scared ass can do it, she can do it.
That's right. That's what I want to hear.
Sacrifice one, it's her.
Yeah.
You got punked, Nicole. This is real life.
It is. Once you get on there, it will be. Yo, y'all excited for this boat ride or what? Let's do it. Oh, look at Matthew. He's not even dressed up. Come on.
Okay, ready?
Just watching the waves, it was our time. There was no rain. We would just love, then do it all again. The sunset for the last time. Oh, I hate to say goodbye, cause we had such a good time. Here's a toast to the good life. I can't stop thinking about the sand in my feet. I got a heart.
Julia up for the drop.
There it seemed like, I was like,
I wish my worries would wash into the sea. Cause it's far too cold, darling. Cold ain't for me.
Hey, it's Glenn. Hey, Evan. Hey. Oh, hey, it's
It was a summer night, such a perfect day. But we were so laid back, just watching the waves. It was our time. There was no rain. We would just love, then do it all again. The sunset for the last time. Oh, I hate to say goodbye.
Ashland Cam coming
Oh,
up too.
snap. Are you GoProing me with my GoPro?
Yeah.
Wait, then who's GoProing me with my GoPro? What's up, April? You ready to make the leap? Oh, okay. It is slippery.
Okay, I think I'm gonna do it like before I get in the water.
You ready, Freddie?
Can you get my good angle?
Da.
Not my love handle.
Okay, ready?
Alright, we're gonna take before I do this really small jump. I love you all, Hurt.
I can't stop thinking about the sand in my feet. I got a heartache 'cause cold ain't for me. I wish my worries would wash into the sea. 'Cause it's far too cold, darling, cold ain't for me.
Yeah. You're actually getting some star footage today.
Damn.
Are you recording?
Follow her at Jen1234 at Instagram. Did I get it right?
Nope.
Okay, we'll try that again.
Jenny Biggs.
At Jenny Biggs on Instagram, IG baby.
I'll accept you. Oh, you can jump? Jump right.
This is some blue water. That was a nice looking jump. Whoa. This is so amazing.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, we were right up there.
So, but this is nice though, isn't it? Yeah. Nice. Nice. Where are we going on, Heather?
Camp, water camp,
Water camp. And it's an adventure.
Camping!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Water taxi adventure.
Yeah. Oh, that's a
Yeah, but look, they have to go like a line over there. Like they're moving back over.
yeah.
So they gotta close.
Getting that last workout in before Havar tonight. Even though we ain't Havar. Why? Why no? Why no? Oh, now she don't want an answer.
Thicker than a Snicker.
That's right. Woo! So beautiful.
We all just say ooh.
Yeah, just say ooh.
Calves are on fire.
I love you, and my trip wouldn't be the same without you.
Oh, baby, it's not about me. It's about the
about
trip.
you.
Oh, okay, okay. Anya, what you got to say?
Croatia's beautiful.
And we have Lizzie. What's up, Lizzie?
Hi. This trip is amazing. It's beautiful and well needed.
Yes, amen, amen.
Like me.
There we go. Steven, my man.
He's asking. Come on.
God, oh my gosh, that's like 7 seconds of you getting up.
All you have done is just cheat on me, you bitch.
He might have to leave that out the video.
I can put it in there.
But it's been a fucking blast.
Yay!
Every minute of it.
Cheers.
Jibali.
Jibali.
Yay!
And Amy, you pervert, what do you got to say?
Hey, I'm not the pervert. Number one. Number two, this trip is beautiful, but not quite as beautiful as the people.
Oh, that's sweet. All right, there you have it. She's savvy. Don't expect that.
That's what she wrote.
Yeah.
She wrote.